Okay, now I want to compare different cuts of 1 yard of fabric. So this is fabric, organic cotton. I bought it online from fabric.com. Let's see how big is 1 yard of fabric here. Oh, it is bigger than 1 yard. It is 37 inches. 1 yard, 1 inch more than 1 yard. Okay, let's see now this one. It's cotton from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I see that this fabric is a little bit smaller. Is a difference? Um, 36 inches, a little bit more than 36 inches, very little more. This fabric is cotton knit fabric from Joann's. 1 yard also. It seems that it is also different than 1 yard. It's a little bit smaller. Some fraction of an inch smaller. So you see, all yards are completely different. And this is spandex fabric from New York store, not brand name New York store. 1 yard. Oh, but it is so much bigger. Oh, look. It's about 3 inches bigger than 1 yard. Which is good for me, of course. But you can see that all yards are completely different. This is 4 pieces of different fabrics and they are all different cuts. Even if they're all 1 yard only.